Hey guys, and welcome back to Mad About Skin. If you're new to our channel, welcome. Here at Mad About Skin, we're passionate about helping you to get the most out of your skincare. So if you haven't already, now's a fantastic time to click that link below, subscribe to the channel, ring that notification bell, and you won't miss out on any of our amazing future content. Now, today's video, we're going to be doing another one of our single product reviews. In this series, we take apart a product, usually available at the drugstore, and we talk about the ingredients, the results, the textures, everything you need to know about that product. We tear it apart and we give you the good, the bad, the pros, the cons, and ultimately whether you need this product in your skincare routine. Today, we are talking about the skincare icon, the cult favourite that is L'Embryolisse La Creme Concentrate. Now, I apologise to anyone that's watching that speaks French because that was an awful pronunciation. I'm here in the UK and I've got a northern UK accent, which makes it quite difficult to get international accents right, so I apologise I butchered your language there. But this is a Parisian classic. It's been around for years, but really just hit the international stage about 10 to 15 years ago and has become an icon in skincare. There's some really big celebrities promoting it at the moment. Here on YouTube, John McClane, who is, I think, he's a makeup artist, but best just described as a sensation and a personality. And he wouldn't mind me referring to him as a personality, I'm sure. Check him out if you haven't already. This is his go-to makeup base. And I think that spurred a lot of people to try it. It then got hold of by beauty editors who raved about it. And this has really developed a cult following. It is a super rich, super nourishing, I'm saying a moisturising cream, but it's more of a repair balm. It is that thick. So we're going to look at it. We're going to talk about the ingredients, the pros, the cons. I planned on doing a 1 week wear test for this. 1 week is the perfect amount of time to use a product, to know whether you like it or not, and to start seeing those initial results. However, on one use, I knew this just wasn't for my skin. I'm too oily to make this work at all. And so I gave it to a friend who has dry skin so that they could test it. I don't think it's fair to set a product up to fail by trying it on a skin type that you know just is not going to work with it. So I didn't want to try it on myself and I passed it over. So I've got their feedback. Straight up, this is not a cruelty-free product. It's been around for years, so I'm not surprised that's the case, but it isn't. If that's what concerns you, then obviously this is not going to be the product for you. It also has a quite a significant amount of fragrance in there. So again, if you're someone that's trying to cut out and eliminate fragrance from your skincare, you'll probably need to give this product a firm pass. So let's go down the ingredients list. Well, on the positive, there's very few ingredients in this product. I usually say the fewer ingredients, the less likely you are to have a reaction or sensitivity to that product. Now, that isn't universally true because you only need one ingredient to have an allergic reaction, but the fewer the ingredients is usually a mark of a product being more suitable for someone with a sensitive skin type. This product has very few ingredients in, which is a big tick in the box. Another pro for me from this product is the price point. It is £9.99 here in the UK, so around £10. In the US, around $15. That is drugstore, and you don't get a huge amount, but you don't need a huge amount. This is a product that a little goes a long way. So using one bottle, a 30ml bottle, will last you probably 2 to 3 months. So it's a really good and affordable price point. It came out of the laboratories of Paris, and there's some fantastic Parisian skincare and French pharmacy skincare brands out there, and Embryolisse is one of those. They do other products, not just this one, but because this is so iconic, often this product is just referred to as Embryolisse, which is the name of the brand rather than of this product specifically. So they've really got the branding spot on, and I like that about the product. In terms of what it delivers a ton of hydration. So if you are looking for if hydration is all you care about, this product is the one for you. It is almost a repair balm. It is that nourishing and that hydrating. It's going to leave a film, so it'll prevent some of the transepidermal water loss that some people suffer with. So all told, a fantastic hydrating product. For me, there are a significant number of cons as well, and I always feel guilty about talking about cons with a product that has a cult following, because I think, am I missing something here? Everyone loves it, and I'm here bad-mouthing it. So I've got to speak as I find, and for me, there are more cons to this product than there are pros. First of all, it contains mineral oil. Now, mineral oil isn't the devil that some people like to make it out to be. However, if you have very greasy, clogged, breakout prone skin, mineral oil is not going to be suitable for you. And I think just as a general thing, this product is not suitable for anyone with even a hint of greasiness in the T-zone. It's too occlusive, and it's going to be packed full of comedogenic ingredients like mineral oil that are just going to clog you and break you out. So absolutely only use this product if you are dry or combination dry. Also, again, the fragrance. This is pitched as a sensitive skin type's dream. They're very much around repairing and nourishing and protecting the skin barrier. So all that really focuses on someone maybe with rosacea, eczema, dermatitis, those sort of skin types. And then they lump a load of unnecessary fragrance in there. I don't have an issue with fragrance in skincare. I like an element of sensorial experience with my skincare. However, if you're delivering for a sensitive skin type, absolutely, it's a no-brainer that there should be zero fragrance in there. So for me, I would like to recommend this to someone with sensitive skin, but I know that I can't, and so I'm not really sure who the market is for this product. It is paraben-free, which is good, but the mineral oil and the fragrance mean for me, I don't think it would work for someone with sensitive skin. It has aloe vera in there, which is really great. It's calming and soothing. But again, I think it's just giving that mixed messaging with the mineral oil and with the fragrance in there. Another negative for me is obviously that it's not certified as cruelty-free. That's not an issue to everybody, but it's something that I do think detracts from the product. And just another con for me is just the general time it takes for this product to sink in. I kind of want my skincare to be on and out that door. And my friend I gave it to said it took about 10 minutes to fully sink into the skin before she could then put makeup on top. Nobody has that time to wait for a moisturiser to sink in. It's just because it's so thick and so occlusive. She did report that it broke her out a little bit, and she has dry skin and it still broke her out. So I think the niche for this is people who have super hyper dry skin but that don't have associated sensitivity with it. It's a niche, I'll give them that, but those people do exist and they would absolutely love this product. As for anybody else, I think you would struggle to find the benefit from this, and a lot of the benefit is offset by the negatives of the likelihood that it will clog you and break you out, and just some of the level of fragrance just being unnecessary in my opinion. Now, do I approve of this product? No. And this really pains me to say because it's cult and people adore it. I do think there's a place in the world for this product. I think if you are super dry and you are looking for hydration above all else, and there are a lot of those people out there, this product could really deliver that hydration. You need to be mindful of that fragrance and the mineral oil, but actually if you're that dry, you'll probably welcome the mineral oil, and the fragrance probably won't be an issue to you, providing you're not sensitive. For anyone else, there's going to be a reason not to use this product. If it's the fragrance, if you're sensitive, or the amount of occlusivity and mineral oil in it, which is just a oily person's nightmare. I think as a product, it's very confused, and I don't like it. I'm going to rate it 3 out of 10. I know, and it's only getting that 3 to be fair, because there are some people that this will really benefit. I included it in one of my moisturizer videos as one that would really benefit people with super dry skin, and I stand by that. If you have super dry skin, this would be your saviour and your dream, and it's probably the thickest and most occlusive moisturizer out there, hands down. For everybody else, I just don't think you need this level of hydration and occlusivity in your life. I would recommend going for something much more tone pared back that gives that light moisturization without needing all this heavy cream, because if you think you're going out in summer, this is not going to be your friend. This is not a summer lover's dream. This is going to be too heavy. It's going to be like wearing a mask. Some people have recommended that you can use this product as a mask, wash on, leave on, wash off. I think that might be a better solution for people, particularly if you're dry. This could be an instant hydration boost. You can then wipe it off and then go about your day without feeling like you're wearing a mask. That is an option that I'm going to put out there. Unfortunately, this product is not approved. Skip. Next. Let's move on. I'm going to leave a link to some videos I did on moisturizers at the drugstore. This is included in there, so you can see, but there are some just better alternatives for people out there. I'd encourage you to explore that video, have a look and work out what moisturizers for you. Unless you're hyper dry, this is not going to be it. Hope you enjoy these single product reviews. Let me know, what products am I to explore next? What do you want to hear from next? Leave me a comment below. I'll get onto it straight away, we'll review it so you don't have to. I do try all these products myself. In this case, I handed it to a friend just to give it a proper and fair wear test, which I think is the only fair way to proceed. But normally I will try them all myself, and I'd love to know what you think. So, have you used this product? Am I totally wrong? Is this your holy grail? Have you never heard of it and you're going to give it a go? Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. And wherever in the world you are, I hope you're staying safe and well. And tomorrow we have the launch of our best in the US. This is where part of the series where we tour the globe looking at the best skincare brands. The British one went absolutely insane. The number of comments, I'm still actually getting around to replying to all of them. There were just so many and they're coming in thick and fast. So I hope you love that one as much. That's going to land 10 a.m. UK time. So be ready for that one, and hopefully you enjoy it, and hopefully you enjoyed this video. Wherever in the world you are, guys, take care. Lots of love from the UK. Bye.